My name is Fatma and I'm the Communications Manager here at Museum of the Future. My job is often very busy, handling lots of media requests from all around the world on a daily basis. It can be full on, which is why you need to keep yourself present and mindful. I do this by practicing yoga, which I've been doing for the past 5 years. Yoga brings me inner peace and helps unite my mind and body. When people think of the Museum of the Future and our exhibits, they probably think of cutting-edge technology and futuristic concepts on display here. And while that's certainly true, we also have a whole floor dedicated to escaping the digital overload in our everyday lives and focusing on our inner well-being. Our Waha floor translates to Oasis, and our visitors are encouraged to engage all their senses and be in the moment. It's a beautiful space where we can reconnect with our mind, body, and soul, much like the power of yoga.